In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate bonus on salary in Microsoft Excel. We're going to create a simple formula that automatically checks whether a salary or target value qualifies for a bonus and then returns the correct amount. This is a very useful technique because once the formula is set up once, Excel can repeat the calculation for the rest of your rows in just a few seconds. To begin, click on cell C2. This is where the bonus result will appear for the first row of data. In that cell, you'll enter the formula that tells Excel how to decide whether a bonus should be given. Now type this formula exactly, equals IF, open parenthesis B2, greater than or equal to 100, comma 500, comma 0, close parenthesis. Written in Excel, that looks like this. Ixki IF B2, $100 and 500 salary. This formula is simple but powerful. It tells Excel to check the value in cell B2. If that value is greater than or equal to 100, Excel will return 500. If the value is less than 100, Excel will return 0. In other words, if the goal is met, the bonus is 500. If the goal is not met, no bonus is given. After entering the formula, press Enter. You should immediately see a result appear in cell C2. If the value in B2 meets the condition set in the formula, the result will be 500. That happens because Excel has evaluated the rule and confirmed that the requirement has been satisfied. Next, click cell C2 again. This is important because you want to apply the same formula to the next row without retyping it manually. Reusing formulas in Excel not only saves time, but also helps reduce typing errors. Move your cursor to the small square in the bottom right corner of cell C2. When your cursor changes into a black plus sign, you can either double-click it or drag it down to cell C3. Excel will automatically copy the formula from C2 into C3 and adjust the cell reference for the new row. That means if the original formula looked at B2, the copied version in C3 will look at B3 instead. This automatic adjustment is one of the most helpful features in Excel, especially when you're working with lists of employees, salaries, or performance values. And that's it. You've successfully created a bonus calculation formula in Microsoft Excel and copied it to the next row. Once you understand this basic IF formula, you can use the same approach for many other payroll and performance-based calculations.